Hi Sam. Today we're diving into the word
Region.
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Region.
can mean a geographical area, a district, or even a field of interest. The most common meaning is a geographical area, like a country or a part of a country. Just be careful, as it might sound like the English word region, but it has its own nuances in
Deutsch.
Got it. How does it work grammatically?
Great question.
Region.
Is a feminine noun, so we use the article.
Die.
In plural, it becomes.
Die Regionen.
For example, you could say,
Die Regionen in Deutschland sind sehr vielfältig.
which means the regions in Germany are very diverse.
Interesting. What about the past tense?
In the past tense, we wouldn't really conjugate.
Region.
But if we were talking about a verb related to it, such as
Teilen.
to divide, we would say,
Ich teile die Region.
in present and in past, it would be.
Ich teilte die Region.
The perfect tense would be.
Ich habe die Region geteilt.
So, it's mostly about using the right articles and conjugating verbs with it.
Exactly. And while
Region.
itself doesn't have a comparative or superlative form since it's a noun, its related adjectives like
Regional.
can be used. For example, you might say,
Regional.
is better than,
National.
when discussing local food.
That's a neat comparison.
The word
Region.
has interesting roots too. It comes from Latin,
Regio.
meaning direction or area. It has been used in various forms throughout history.
I love how words evolve.
Yes, it's fascinating. Over time, as territories and areas were defined, the term became more popular in various languages, including
Deutsch.
How can we break down the word?
Region.
good thought. It's not a compound word, so we can't split it into parts like we would with others. But we can think of it as a whole that signifies a certain space or area.
So, we just remember it as it is.
Correct. Think of it as a specific space you can explore, almost like a piece of a map.
Are there similar words in
Deutsch.
Absolutely. If we look at words with the same prefix, we have
Regieren.
meaning to govern, which shares that sense of area or control. Then there's
Revolution.
meaning revolution, and
Rezeption.
meaning reception.
That's cool. What about with the same suffix?
Sure. Consider,
Information,
which means information, and
Prävention,
meaning prevention. Both deal with specific areas of knowledge or action.
Those are really useful. Can we think of real-life situations for
Region,
Definitely. In a travel setting, you might say,
Ich möchte die Region erkunden.
meaning I want to explore the region.
I'll try.
ich möchte die Region sehen.
Perfect. Another situation could be in a discussion about local cuisine. You might say,
Die Region hat viele traditionelle Gerichte.
which means the region has many traditional dishes.
Die Region hat viele Restaurants.
How's that?
That's great. Lastly, if you're talking about studying geography, you might say,
Ich lerne über die Region.
meaning I am learning about the region.
So, it's feminine, right?
Yes, and because.
Region.
Ends with.
Ion.
It typically indicates a feminine noun in.
Deutsch.
A good mnemonic is to visualize a map with a large red circle around a specific area, highlighting its importance.
I can picture that.
Now, let's touch on some usage notes.
Region.
Is mostly neutral and can be used formally or informally.
What are some common phrases with it?
You might hear,
Regionale Küche.
for regional cuisine,
Regionale Unterschiede.
for regional differences, or,
In der Region.
meaning in the region.
I have to remember that. Are there any words that are commonly confused with?
Region,
Yes, people often confuse it with,
Regionen.
and,
Regierung.
meaning government. They sound similar but have different meanings.
Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. Here's one.
Die Regionen in Deutschland sind sehr unterschiedlich.
Which means the regions in Germany are very different. Or,
Ich habe die Region besucht.
meaning I visited the region.
die Region hat viele Sehenswürdigkeiten.
Means the region has many attractions, right?
Exactly. And another would be,
In dieser Region gibt es viele Berge.
meaning in this region, there are many mountains.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Let's do a quick recall check. What gender is?
Region.
It's feminine.
Correct. What's the plural form?
Die Regionen.
Great. Can you give me a sentence using?
Region.
In the context of geography.
Ich lerne über die Region.
Right.
Yes, well done. How about a related verb we discussed?
Teilen.
Right. And what does
teilen,
mean?
To divide.
You're doing fantastic, Sam. So, to wrap up, what's the key takeaway about
Region,
It means a geographical area, it's feminine, and we can use it in various contexts.
exactly? Keep practicing, and you'll feel even more comfortable with it. I'm really proud of your progress today.
Thanks, Alex. I can't wait to use
Region.
in my conversations.